Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top with me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby.
She a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no leg on the dance floor. She had 2-3 drinks.
What is good, loves? Welcome back to the channel. I am back with another wig review from UNICE. So I actually came across this wig on AliExpress, and this is UNICE 7x5 pre-everything frontal wig, and it is 150% density, and she is glueless. On the site, you can order her from a 13x4. You can get her as a 13x4 everything, so you can just get her pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-everything, or you can get her in a 4x4 closure or a 7x5. Here is the inside of the cap construction. You get one comb in the back and all of this good lace here. And look at their freshly bleached knots. This is their pre-everything look. So if you are the type that do not like to bleach knots, or really just like to do extra maintenance to the wig because you don't know how, or you just don't like to fiddle around with that type of stuff, I definitely recommend getting the pre-everything option. So now that I added a little bit of makeup to the lace, I am just trying on the wig, and already I don't even have to do much. I am so in love. And I know I say this about every wig, but y'all, like a lot of these companies, they are really doing their thing, making sure that these wigs are pre-plucked and bleached, and we don't even have to do so much maintenance. I mean, I really don't have to do a lot at all, and it cuts down so much time. So, you know, I gotta give credit where it's due. I'm going to style the wig, probably add some loose curls, give it some more body. So I'll be back with my final thoughts and commentary on this segment, so stay tuned for that. If you're wondering what wig I am wearing in this video, I will be sure to have the link down in the description below.
As long as I could have you in my life, oh baby, I'm satisfied. Even if you're not just mine. Can you rock with me? Oh baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you. Can you roll with me? Oh baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby.
Oh my gosh, Chloe. I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't alley loop. Turns out I'm the nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the ooze? Still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even keep it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed with Billy Island, turning in a given time. Personal problems, pillow talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even deep as you used to be, this shit slick divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick divided. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She know I'm a gangster, she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I come true. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, every time I get some Z's. Full cook press, put on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check, it ain't nowhere near easy. Had to fall back, you know how that go, we only speaking briefly. Hope I'm not too much to handle. See this nigga from Atlanta, I spent my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever, ever say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money, this ain't no fucking play-doh. Wrote it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low.
Tell me what you say now, tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away.
been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern, floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. If karma's really.
So here's the finished look, and this hair eats, period. The hair is soft. For starters, first of all, let's get into the wig. Everything is already done, okay? I didn't have to bleach nothing. I didn't have to cut nothing. All I did was add layers and add curls. That's all. Shipping and handling took, I'll say, about a week. I don't know if it was like maybe between 5 to 8 days, but the wig still came on time and I still got her. And she's so silky and just so feather-like. And even though she's 150% density, she has some fullness to her. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye.